Thank you for coming along and learning more about breathwork, whether it's from myself or Leanne. If you would like to know more about breathwork and the techniques that we teach one-on-one to our clients or when we're training, then head to your app store in iOS or Android and download the Breath Source app. Now, this has a catalogue of instructional videos, and soon there will be live classes that you'll be able to attend to as well. And if that isn't enough, then you will also have the opportunity to listen and learn from other breath masters from all around the world, breath instructors. You'll be able to attend classes and learn from them, whether that's pranayama, somatic breathing, DMT alkaline breathing, or if you want to learn about fitness and physical performance and how your breath can improve that. So if that sounds interesting, you can download the app and set up a free account. The links are in the comments or in the bios. If you want to know anything more, then please let us know.